video is gonna be a continuation from my last video, which is a meal prepping video. And we have meal prepared vegetables, chicken and rice and quinoa and things like that. And I have also showed you how to use those things together, put them together, take them to lunch, eat them at home. So I'm going to continue and give you more ideas today on my video. So I hope you're going to like this one too. If you haven't watched the last video, please go ahead and watch it, and so you have some ideas of what I have done. If you have not also subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the notification button. Whenever I have put a recipe or posted a video, you will get notified. So let's get started. So if you remember, we have some bell pepper and onion ready from last week that I chopped and kept to use throughout the week. So I added about 2 tablespoons of oil. I used grapeseed oil, and then added my chopped bell pepper, onion, and some grape tomatoes, like the little tomatoes chopped. And then I saute that together. Then I added my spinach like that. So having my meal prep last week is so helpful, as you can see. So now I added some salt and then some black pepper to the mixture. Then it's ready. Now I'm going to crack some eggs into a bowl. I added about 6 or 7 eggs, pasture-raised eggs. I always talk about pasture-raised eggs because they are full of nutrition and they're good for you. So once I did that, I am going to add some salt and pepper to our egg, and then also mix it well. I have a muffin tin here. I am going to spray that with oil, and then add the veggie mixture that we did on the skillet to the muffin tin, like we see here. And then once we did that, then we're going to add our eggs on the top. So don't fill it up to the top because it's going to rise when it cooks. I preheated my oven at 350, and I'm going to bake it about 20 minutes. And so once that is done, it's going to just come out and look like this, really, really yummy. Then in my meal prep container, I put a couple of the egg muffins, and then I serve it with my sweet potato, the roasted sweet potato, which I did for my meal prep. So that is what it looks like, and then I store the rest of it in the fridge in a glass container for my meal prep in the morning for the week. Then I have a lunch. For lunch, I'm going to do some greens, green mixed green. Then I added some bell pepper, some cucumber, some avocado, and some black beans. If you are vegan, you don't have to add the chicken, but I did this chicken for the last meal prep, so I have some leftover, so I added that. Now I'm going to make my salad dressing. I have a Greek yogurt, or you can do a vegan yogurt here, and added some cumin and some paprika and chili powder and a little bit of Tabasco. Then added salt and pepper. Then I squeezed half a lemon to it, and then mix it really well. This is going to be our Southwest dressing, a spicy dressing. So once that is mixed well, I'm going to add some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, to add to my salad. So it's good to make your own salad dressing because the ones that you buy from the store have a lot of fillers that you don't want to put in your body. So as much as you can, make your own salad dressing. So I'm going to take that for lunch. So I'm going to put that in the my meal prep container, and added my salad dressing to the side, and that is my lunch. And we can also, if we're staying at home, we can also serve it in a little bowl, where I'm going to show you here. Really looking so delicious. It could be vegan friendly if you take out the chicken and use only the veggies. And then that's it for our lunch. We have our salad with our salad dressing that we made, and it's really tasty. It has a little kick to it, the spice from the salad dressing. It just tastes so good. And the next one is going to be a skillet pasta, which I'm going to do. I am going to use the rest of my chopped onion, and then also my chopped bell peppers that I chopped last time, and then also a little bit of garlic, maybe 2 cloves of garlic chopped. Then I cooked that together, added a little bit of salt and pepper, and then cook it well. uh, you can add some seasoning, more seasoning if you want to. Then I added some marinara sauce, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of marinara sauce. And then I added a little bit of cream cheese. If you're vegan, you don't have to do this, or you can do a vegan cream cheese here. So the cream cheese is about a tablespoon uh, full of cream cheese. I also added a little bit of water. I was boiling some pasta, so I saved some water from the pasta. So do you remember the broccoli and Brussels sprout that I roasted last week? I added that to my pasta sauce. Then I added my grilled chicken. If you're vegan, again, don't add the grilled chicken. You can stop where you added the roasted veggies. Then we add our pasta. I have a whole grain pasta that I am using, organic whole grain pasta. Then add that and chopped basil to the top. You can also use chopped parsley here. So now we're going to serve it. Here it is. It's really delicious and looks really good, and it's packed with a lot of vegetable and also the grilled chicken. I also added some Parmesan cheese, and this is what it looks like. Yummy. So we did 3 meals, pasta, a salad, and then also a small egg cups. And so I hope you liked what we did today, and I hope you're gonna do it too. It's just gonna make your life simpler and better, and also healthier. And also you're gonna save a lot of money when you have food in the fridge and you just come home and put it together. So I hope I gave you some ideas on how to do your meals every week, and I'm going to continue doing this kind of videos in the future also. And with that, I'm going to close and say have a good week and be blessed. Bye.